If you've ever wondered what is the difference between an Oxford, a Derby, and a Brogue, let me talk you through it. So the main difference is whether the back is overlapping the front or whether the front is overlapping the back. So in this example, this one is a Derby shoe, and you can see that the back section, which is what we call the quarter, is overlapping or sitting on top of the front section, which is what we call the vamp. The main difference between an Oxford, which is this shoe here, is that you'll see the front section, which is the vamp, is sitting over the top of the quarter, which is sitting underneath. And if you're wondering, well then what makes a Brogue a Brogue? A Brogue could be either an Oxford or a Derby. It's the broguing detail here that makes a Brogue a Brogue. Now, most commonly you'll find a Brogue style shoe on an Oxford just because there's a lot more space around the front here to do that broguing detail, whereas as you can see on a Derby, there's less space to put the details.